Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering the essentials: your PAN, registered business name, and the mobile or email tied to the account. Once ready, open the GST portal and go straight to the Search Taxpayer section. This skips extra menus and saves time. If you have GST credentials, log in now because authenticated sessions allow fuller search options and result details. Make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or scripts so the form loads correctly, and you can proceed without delays. Once logged in or on the public Search Taxpayer page, pick your search type, GSTIN, PAN, or trade name, depending on what you have. Enter the PAN exactly. This is the fastest way to find a GSTIN linked to a PAN. If using a business name, use precise spelling or quotation marks where supported to narrow results. Submit the query, then verify the returned GSTIN by checking the embedded state code and PAN segment so you confirm it belongs to the correct entity. Final step, verify the GSTIN you found. It should be 15 characters, starting with a 2-digit state code and containing the PAN. Once confirmed, save the GSTIN, download or screenshot the details for records, and note the search timestamp. If you get no result, try alternate spellings, search by TRN if available, or use the GST help desk for discrepancies. A common troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or try a different browser if the portal won't return results immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.